Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wemo smart outlets to Apple HomeKit detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Wemo app on your smartphone. Ensure your smart outlet is plugged in and powered on. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Wemo outlet. Tap the Add Device button in the Wemo app. Select your Wemo smart outlet from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the outlet. You may need to reset the outlet if it does not appear. To reset, press and hold the reset button on the outlet until the LED starts blinking orange. Once connected, open the Apple Home app on your device. Tap the plus icon to add a new accessory. Select Scan Code and point your camera at the HomeKit code on the Wemo packaging or outlet. Alternatively, tap Enter Code manually if you prefer that option. After scanning, follow any additional prompts to finish the setup. You can assign the outlet to a room in the Home app for easier management. Once configured, test the outlet by turning it on and off from the Home app. Adjust settings and create automation as needed for your smart home experience. Your Wemo smart outlet is now successfully connected to Apple HomeKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.